Hi everybody, it's Amalia, and I'm here today with a Hobby Lobby haul. I stopped by 4 different Hobby Lobbies on my way home from the Scrapbook Expo in New Jersey. And I did that because I don't have any Hobby Lobbies near where I live. I have to cross a very expensive toll bridge. One of them pays both ways, another one just one way, but it's a lot of money. And since I was going to the Scrapbook Expo, I made it part of my plan to stop by Hobby Lobby because I knew they were having clearance, and I'm glad I did. I was so happy. So 2 of the Hobby Lobbies had items on clearance. One of them had tons of stuff on the shelves. Another one didn't have so much on the shelves. And then the last one that I stopped at, I forgot what the story was with that one, but the third one that I stopped at didn't have anything marked down in their crafts aisle. And you know, I had picked up a number of things at the previous stops. So I talked to the manager and I said, you know, what's the deal with your crafts aisle? You're supposed to have the markdowns done already. I found the one thing I was looking for that I didn't find anywhere else. So they did give me the markdown, and let me show you what I found. As a matter of fact, I took it out of the box already and wanted to start using it. So I got the mini Sidekick. I already had a Sidekick, and as a matter of fact, I put it in the this Tim Holtz one box. So this was the old one I had. It was working. It is working perfectly. It is working great. But I decided they were so well priced on sale, I decided to get a new one, and I'm probably going to be selling this one. And yeah, so I'm thrilled to have it. I bought this one originally from Sizekick for $24.99 when they were having a sale. This one was much better priced. It was $14 at the Hobby Lobby clearance, so I was really happy to find that. And I'm going to be selling this, and it came with all these these dies. It comes with an embossing folder. It comes with these plates, but I'm taking the plates out because I'm going to be using them. My old plates from this one are all messed up, so I'm not going to include them in here. I'm going to keep the new plates, but there's also an embossing plate. Let me get that so I can show it to you. This is the one that I have for my original one, and I don't use it much. So, but it's 4 embossing folders, the small ones that you can put through here. And I love my little Sidekick, and I'm gonna love my new little black one just as well. It matches my Stampin' Up one. That's my Stampin' Up, what's it called? The Big Shot, that's black. And that's not why I got it. I got it because it was such a great deal. Anyway, and I think this one is gonna stay cleaner than this one. So anyway, that's my story, and that's it. So I'll try and sell this maybe on Facebook Marketplace, or if anybody here is interested in it, let me know. I'll sell it to you for a used price since it's used, okay? Okay, so let me tell you what else I got besides my lovely little Sidekick. And let's see, I already used this one already. This is a Thinlits die, and I've already used it on some cards I made. Check out the video that's coming up on the 2nd for the sheet load. I use this on my next sheet load project. I got this one, and I didn't realize it comes with 2 dies. It's this faceplate die. That's a large die. I'm going to measure it. It's 4 by, why do they make them weird sizes? 4 by 5 3/8. That's not a weird size. That's like a 1/4 inch below almost the 5.5. So yeah, and it also comes with this die, which is really cool. It's a banner die, and I love it. Then I got, I filled up my cart. This is my shopping habit. I fill up my cart with whatever my little heart desires, whatever my whims send me. I put it in my cart. Then I go find some place to sit down, and I rifle through the cart for all the things. Yes, I want this. Yes, I want this. No, I don't want that. No, I don't want that. I have something just like that, and I love this, and I want that, and I want that. So that's what I do. And then I go put everything back where I found it on the shelves, so they don't have to put it away. My friends call it bulimic shopping, and that's fine with me. You know, I don't want to sit there and rationalize while I'm looking at things. I want to do it right before I go to the cash register. I'm looking at this, well, I don't really need this, I don't have it, and things like that. So I decided to get these, and I love this. This is the Spellbinders car. This one has happy birthday balloons and messages, and then this one is I love you, and it's a couple driving. It says I love you, me and you, congrats, and hello, and all the, you know, the body parts and the hair and etc. for the couple driving the car. This was a really great price, $4.74 and $6.24. They had these on clearance at the Spellbinder site at one point, and I think these prices are even better than that. And I got two 6x6 stamps. I love 6x6 stamps in red rubber, and these are both Hero Arts, my favorite crafting company. And you know, I look at things sometimes, don't I have this? I should already have this. And this is really small type. I know I don't have that, but I think that will make something good for backgrounds. And I've always loved this particular stamp, so I was happy to be able to get that from Hero Arts. Another one of my favorites is Artist Impression stamps, and they had these two cute little stamps. One is with kitty cats and a cat tree. Another one is with a truck and all the things that you can put in the red truck, and I thought it was a really good deal. And they're clear stamps, and I really love red rubber stamps, but the clear stamps have been growing on me, and I am positive that there's got to be a die out there somewhere for Artist Impressions, and maybe one day I'll go out and look for it. But I think I can fussy cut these out pretty simply. I don't know if I can fussy cut those out, but the rest I can do that with. And I got these, and what are these called? These are the ones that are called Paper Village. And he makes another one, and I forget what those sets are called, but the sets are like $100 or something close to that, much closer to $100 than closer to $20 that these are. And but I decided to get these. I thought these would be cute and fun, maybe to make like a Christmas village or something like that. I don't know. I liked them, I wanted them, I got them. So that's the story. I got some Yupo. Some stores had the regular Yupo. This is like the regular weight Yupo. Then they had heavyweight Yupo on sale. And I don't know, there's a lot of inconsistencies in the stores, and you know, what they have on sale, what they have in stock, what they don't have, whatever. It's okay. That's why I went to 4 different stores. This next item right here these are supposed to be like highlighter pens, but they're such cute, cool colors. Shiny silver, glamorous gold, pearly rose, bright, brilliant ruby is that one, etc. They're all really juicy, really sparkly. Let me show you this one. Do I have any paper anywhere? I don't know if this is going to be good paper. super sparkly. And I don't know, I just thought they were cool. They were $1.62 and I got them. These weren't marked down at the store that I got them at, but I told them they were marked down at the other stores, and they gave it to me for the markdown price. So I really appreciate that. You know, they're really friendly at Hobby Lobby. It must be a nice place to work as an employee because they are so friendly and nice. And I think they are that way because it's not because they're told that that's how they have to be, but because it's the work environment. The managers probably aren't creeps or jerks, and you know, they're getting consistent positive messaging from management, and you know, if the employees are nice people, it's usually, I think, a decent place to work. You know, if you're not happy where you work, it's really hard to be happy when you're, you know, dealing with customers. Anyway, that's my rant. I decided to get some embossing folders. These are 3D embossing folders. I have so many embossing folders. But this was a beautiful one, I thought, so I got that one. Let's see. I'm sure I got some other ones. Here's another one. There were a lot of them, and I just picked these two. Here's another one that I decided to get. I just kind of like that image. It's kind of Art Deco or stained glass window kind of looking, so got that. I love this one. This is a thinlit set, and it's all vases and bonsai trays and flowers. I just really liked that, particularly because of the vases, and yeah, so it's something I was thinking about, and I got it. And here's some, I got some leaves. These were on sale for 50% off from the Paper Studio. Monstera leaves. I'm sure there's something else, but it's got to be in the box. I got this from Stampendous. It says, families or friends are like quilts. Gotta put my glasses on. Are like quilts, lives pieced together, stitched with smiles, colored with warm memories, and wrapping you in my love. I just thought that was kind of cute, something that would be fun and easy to color. I got this from Spellbinders. What a beautiful, this is pine trees and pine cones and acorns. I got this is from Momenta. I hope these turn out to be really good, decent quality. And this was $2.24. Lemons. Here's something else I picked up, which I'm really thrilled about. Again, this is Hero Arts. This is a color layering die, and it's strawberries. Look how cool that looks on that side. So I got that. I got some more Stupendous stamps. These are sentiments that I think will go well with this stamp right here, or anything actually. And one of the sentiments that really got me to buy this was, I wish you lived near, just across the way. I wish you lived right here every single day. Aww, isn't that nice? Anyway, so I got this. Got this one for 87 cents. Whew, what a bargain. This is another one of those layering stamps, and I've never heard of this company, but I think it's going to be fun to play with. Let me see what else I have. Okay. Oh, I got this. I got one of those from the Tim Holtz collection. What are these called? Factory tags. These are really nice, heavyweight. Love those. Some more leaves to go with my Monstera leaves. That right there. More leaves. I think these are great fall colors. Here's some dies, more dies that I got from Spellbinders. I love that lemon one. Spellbinders is really great. They make some really innovative, fun dies, and they always have. I got this one, which is the birdhouse and little birdie. Well, there's no little birdie in there, but it's a birdhouse or a nest and a fence and flowers. And this one is the little birdie. There's lots of little birdies, and there's a tree branch as well. And oh, I got this one too. They had a lot of big dies, but I don't have a big die cutting machine. You know, I can't put anything that's more than 6 inches wide. But I thought this was really pretty. It's a butterfly. So I got that one. I already took them out of the packaging because I used them. I got this package of Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pens. And yeah, it's just different width pens and in white. These are all white ink. So I got those. And let me show you this because I have this right next to me because I'm planning on using this. I got this. It's a Paper Studio 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. It's 120 so of folded cards and envelopes. They had plenty of the flat cards, not the cards that you open, and envelope packs, but they were all, first of all, I don't need the flat cards. I don't need just the envelopes. I want the sets. And none of them were 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. They have all now converted to 4 by 5 1/2 or 4 by 5 and I don't know what. And so I want the 4 by 5 1/2 because it's annoying working with that smaller size. And I love these autumn tones. So this is perfect for this time of year. And I'm keeping it right next to my desk so I can grab it whenever I need a card. And I decided to get some books. My collection of drawing and art books now is starting to exceed my cookbook collection, and it's a problem. Anyway, I got 10-step drawing for flowers. Learn to draw 75 flowers in 10 easy steps. That looks like it could be fun and easy to do, and maybe I'll do a series where I'll work on one together with you guys, and maybe you guys can learn while I learn. Then this one is 10-step drawing or on animals. Excuse me, armadillo, crocodile, koala, and chimpanzee. Well, they don't make it look, you know, too impossible, right? We shall see. Then I also got this, which I thought was super cool. This is a Prima Princess watercoloring book, and it's all a nice heavyweight watercolor paper. These are bookmarks. It's all pre-printed projects. These are all bookmarks. I started with the back. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Flowers. It looks like ranunculus. And then these are the ladies to paint. Yeah, so I really like this a lot, and I'm happy I got it. Another thing I got as well, I got 2 of these, one in black and one in white, and these were just, what do you call these? It's just a plastic book bin. You can't even see it. Let me zoom out. There we go. It's a plastic book bin. It's just organization, and I got it for $2 because they were 75% off or something like that, or 90% off, something like that. And yeah, so that's all I got, folks. It's plenty, and I hope you enjoyed it. I did a poll on my community page, and you guys said yes, you wanted to see the Hobby Lobby haul, so here it is. So give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you voted yes for me to do the haul video, because I did it for you. Thanks, everybody. Bye.